measurement of physical quantity. In that, next point is mass. The amount of matter present in a substance is called as a mass. Matter has a natural tendency to resist a changes in its state, which is called inertia. Inertia means a heaviness. Meaning of inertia is a heaviness. Mass is a quantity measure of the inertia of an object. The larger the mass, the greater is the inertia. If mass is large, then inertia is also large or greater. Mass is a scalar quantity. It does not change from place to place anywhere in the world. Means if you are here in India, the mass is same in America. Means place to place the mass is same. Mass does not changes. The quantities mass and weight are however different. Gram and kilogram are the units of mass. Now see, gram and the kilogram are the units. When we use the two pan compare balance in a shop, we compare two masses. See, this is a balance. All of you know, when we are balancing these two pans, means we are balancing a mass. All of you know this type of balance is used in shops. Weight, what we measure in grams, kilograms, is mass and not a weight. Means gram, kilograms is a mass. This is not a weight. The gravitational force that acts on that mass is called a weight. Gravitational force by which the earth attracts an object towards its center is called as the weight of an object. Therefore, weight is a vector quantity. It is different at different places on the earth. Why would the weight of an object to maximum at the poles and minimum at the equator? I think you learn these poles and equator in geography. Now see the answer. The gravitational force by which that earth attracts an object towards its center is the weight of an object. Earth is flattened to its poles and blunt at its equators. Means earth is flat towards poles and blunt towards equator. That is, poles are at the shorter distance from the center than the equator. Means from the center the poles are flattened. That's why the distance of poles is shorter and the distance of equator is longer or more than center of the earth. Due to this, gravitational force exerted by the earth on the object to at poles is more than the gravitational force attracts towards the same object when it is placed at equator. As a result, an object's weight is more at poles than at equators. Means object weight is more in poles. Why? Because poles are flat, short in distance from a center. That's why in poles weight is more and in equator weight is less. Second, why is the weight of an object at a height altitude less than its weight at the sea level? The gravitational force by which the earth attracts an object towards its center is the weight of an object. The distance of an object to an altitude from center of the earth is greater than the sea level. See, the distance of an object in an altitude from a center of the earth is greater than the sea level. Due to this, gravitational force exerted towards the earth on the object at sea level is more than the gravitational force exerted on the same object when it is placed at a high altitude. As a result, an object weight is less at a high altitude than a sea level. Means object weight is less in high altitude and more in sea level. Will it be possible to use one and the same unit to measure physical quantities in such a mass, weight, distance, velocity and temperature? It is possible to use in a same unit? No, it is not possible. See, for mass, weight, we are using gram, kilograms. Distance, we are using kilometers. And for temperature, we are using degrees or Fahrenheit. Means it is not possible to use same unit. In everyday affairs, we measure many different physical quantities. As these physical quantities are different from each other, a specific unit is used to measure each quantity. Therefore, different units are used while measuring different quantities. See, in day-to-day life, we are using many different quantities and we use many different units. For example, timing, we use hours. From distance, one city to another city, we are using unit kilometer. If we are buying a cloth, that time which we are using a meter, 1 meter cloth, 2 meter cloth. For liquid, example milk, 1 liter milk, 2 liter milk. Means for liquid we are using unit liter. See, do you know our body has weight because of gravitational force of the earth? See, gravitational force is always acting, that's why our body has a weight. The gravitational force of the moon being less, our weight will be turned out to be less there. See, means on moon gravitational force is less and in earth gravitational force is more. That's why on earth our weight is more, and if we go on moon, there our weight is less. Why? Because the gravitational force is less in moon. We will turn out to be less there. Our mass, however, is the same as the both places.